Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is a UREVO CyberPad smart treadmill. It's like an under the desk one. Brushless motor, comes with an app so you can like control it. So lately I've been doing more desk time, a lot of editing on videos and things like that. So I do have a standing desk, but still just standing there. This is a lot more, you can burn some more calories while walking instead of just standing. So let's check this out here. This treadmill had excellent packaging. Everything was nice and secure, no damage at all. I like that I didn't have to assemble anything, just pull it out, unwrap it, and plug it in, and you're ready to go. So that was fairly easy. It weighs about 77 pounds, so if you need some help, ask for it. It's got little bumpers here on the end as well. Let's see, where is the plug-in? Okay, right here on the front right-hand side, got the plug-in. Plug that in. It's gonna reach. I want to put it under my desk right there. And so, I think it reaches to 6 feet, so we'll see. I have a plug-in over here as well though, so maybe I'll plug that into there. Yeah, let's move it around here. Actually, I'm just gonna test it out real quick. So there's that. Now set up the remote. Okay, the instructions for the remote is turn off the treadmill's power, hold plus and minus together until that flashes rapidly. All right, so we're gonna hold down, let's see, off. Okay, so plus and minus. Okay, it's flashing rapidly. Turn it on. Oh, that's cool. Looks like we're connected, so oh wow, cool. Speed adjust on the right here. We can mute it so it doesn't beep. That's nice. The lights are on or off. I like that. The lights is very cool. Check out that. We're adjusting the incline here. 14%. Oh, that's crazy. That's a good incline there. Nice, the pad is nice and solid there. Almost no noise at all, as you can hear. Let's see here. Want to pause it? You can pause it. Let's just test this out here, shall we? 3, 2, 1, hit play. And it starts going. Oh yeah, it's nice and comfy. That is sweet. Let's set it up here and get going. And just pause it. So it doesn't just stop automatically, it just kind of slows down. It's very quiet. I like that a lot. All right. Yeah, I'll just put it under my desk here. This is my office, and I'm just gonna like make my productivity a little bit better, you know, instead of sitting around all the time. Get this thing set up here, shall we? So this collapses down to 6.5 inches high. And what's nice about this is you can slide it under your bed or your desk or whatever, or just pick it up, move it to wherever you want. Say I want to lean it up against the wall here. And it's got those little rubber bumpers on there. And look at that, just right out of the way, like almost no space at all. So that's pretty crazy. And it's pretty stable right there as well. I like that a lot. It has the On the ends here, it has a place for the Allen key to tighten it up or loosen it up. But yeah, if you want to pull it away from the wall, it's got this little handle here. Just roll it under your desk and we're good to go right here. So that's pretty sweet. I'll just plug it in just like this, turn it on. Let's get my desk up to desk height here. All right, so whether I put my laptop here or I can just see my monitors right here, I can just turn this on. Let's see, get that going here. 3, 2, 1, here we go. I can increase my thing. So no problem with this. I can just keep moving and like do my work on here, whatever I'm doing. Open up my windows, edit my videos from up here. Can also increase this up. Let's crank up the speed here. So it goes to a nice walk there, and I increase it up to 14. So that's like actually a pretty rigorous pace here. And then I can do that, sit here and edit my videos or whatever else I want to do. Pull up my stuff. It'd be nice if I had a laptop right here, but you guys get the picture. It's a nice brisk walk here. And instead of just being sedentary and just sitting at your desk, you're getting out in your exercise while you're doing your other stuff here. So it makes it super nice. And it's not like, I guess I could bring this up a little higher. Pull that in. There we go. So very handy, very convenient when I want to stop. Just press the button there. It slows down gradually. Whew, got the heart rate going there. That was pretty brisk. Whew. All right. Then we just set it down. Let's see here. It has a time on there as well. And now we can check out the app here too. Yeah, so if you guys want to transform your office space into combining, since a lot of people work from home now, so you can combine your cardio or your fitness with your work. So kill 2 birds with 1 stone. It's pretty sweet. Anyways, my friends, let's check out the app and we'll go from there. I'll click the play button too, and it shows the distance traveled and the time and the calories burned on here too. So that's pretty cool. And how many steps you've done. All right, friends. So I've been using this for a little while now. Just hit the play button on my app. I got a 45-minute workout going on here. So couple things about this. It's just super cushiony. It's quiet. I like the lights on there, so if it's a little darker in there, maybe you're doing your stuff with the lights off, you can still be able to see your treadmill just fine. We can check out the actual dimensions here of the walking surface. It's nice and wide. We got the walking surface is 39.5 by 16.5, so it's a good distance. I'm 5'11"-ish. I got a pretty long stride, and I don't feel like I'm going to be falling off of here or anything like that. So it's a good distance here. This thing starts out slow, gets you warmed up. It tells you the distance. Not only your app, show you the distance, walk, calories burned, distance, the time also. So that's really cool. It's a nice bit. It tells you when it's going to increase gives you a heads up on the app. So the app is really cool as well. I like the convenience of the remote. Just hit the button here and I can adjust it from there too. Yeah, so I was editing some videos while I'm doing this and I thought it would be like distracting, but after a while, I didn't even realize I was walking. I was just focused on doing my work. So that's really cool. I like how I can kind of not just remain, because before I'd just be sitting at my desk and especially if you're sitting there for hours, not really doing anything, it's not really conducive to good health. As I get older, try to maintain your health a little bit. So walking's really good for that. And I like this is super low impact and that I can increase the elevation up to 14%. So yeah, guys, it's small, compact, lightweight, easy to maneuver around. It's stable, quiet. I really like this thing, guys. Thanks so much for watching this review. I got to get back to work. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.